Who be this? It's too early. Na morning be this time na money. I don't hear you. Coming back for night. I don't busy now. Time na money. Your voice is like bag of rice. My madam is among the prosperous taxi drivers in this town. How do this kind of work? You must get trespassing bone for your back.
Every time you say you love me, but you instructed your housemate not to give me food.
You don't forget that this work, why would they take it for this house? So that time you complain, say they abuse you. Then they abuse me, woman of the house.
I need the man of the house. You can't put 3 minutes or even 5 minutes for me.
I will work morning and night. I will keep the money. You go there, you carry am, you chop am. When you chop am finish, you shake your baby a razor cut. When you cloth.
Why do you even the way this stupid cab sell? Are you talking about the money you spent or the humiliation I got at the police cell?
Give me the money I took myself. Give me now, I go to the other side. Give me.
Let me just tell you something. I am here to stay. You must marry me.
I don't come to come possess my possession.
How can a maid woman have the guts to lock me up at the police cell?
So as I pay for house, so I don't leave man for the house. The house don't become man house.
Tell me the secret concerning Junior's paternity.
You like your son.
You lie.
That lady, she does not deserve to be our wife anymore. She has to go.
If I slap your head, so I can you go clean. My car, my money, when you make me transfer to your account. Give me everything now. No one trouble.
You denied this pregnancy and you expect me to respect you?
Watch your tongue go.
You call a whooping 350,000 naira ordinary.
Why are you talking?
Are you shouting at me?
Simon is my very good friend. I can't betray him for any amount.
My son who allowed himself to be under the control of a woman whom he calls his wife.
God has blessed me with a son.
Is he your son?
He's my son.
He's not! So make you transfer all the money that you have to your husband's account.
I think say me and you na friend. How you go tell me this kind of thing?
So you're saying you didn't prepare any food in this house today?
I am not your slave.
I am your husband.
Of course you are my husband. I'm not dragging that fact with you.
After spending 4 years in the university, and what do I get? You want to ruin my life and career? Hell no!
You're mad!